Hey guys, and welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, what you see here today is my 2008 BMW 335i with the N54. Just recently passed 10 years of ownership on this car and at 158,000 miles. This car has actually been truly a great experience over that span, and it is what started this channel. So early on, being the first BMW that I ever purchased, I had tons of questions and no one really had many answers. And there was no really good outlet as far as YouTube videos, hence why I started this channel. So 500 plus videos later of just the N54 alone, I wanted to be able to share money saving, easy step-by-step DIY videos, maintenance repair costs, just so you have a heads up, modifications, because these are great to modify, they're easy to do, and they truly can make some great power. And of course, just some things to look out for, when you're wanting to buy one, what do I need to see? What do I need to look for? Those kind of things I wanted to ensure and to help you along the way. So in this video, we're going to go over my total 10 years of ownership costs, and that's going to be all of your maintenance related items. Well, over the last few years, I brought some additional cars on the channel. A 2016 BMW M5 Competition, a 2022 M340i, and then my current car, a 2023 BMW M5 Competition, to showcase different BMWs on here, but still retaining the original 335i. So cars may come and go, but this car will truly stay as the focal point for the channel. That's what we're going to cover today, so let's just go ahead and get it started. So when I picked up my 2008 BMW 335i in 2013, it had 92,000 miles on it. No warranty whatsoever. First BMW that I've ever purchased. I really did not know what I was getting myself into. After ownership, I started, experiencing some of the nuances, I guess to say, for the N54. So the first year of ownership was fairly decent, just had like a coil that went out. That was really about it, just normal oil changes. As soon as I got in the next few years after that, that's where the cost really started adding up. Really, first one up was just the oil cooler, gasket and oil filter housing gasket that leaked, water pump went out, did the walnut blasting because I was having real bad hesitation. It seemed like it was one thing after another. After that, went through and did all index 12 injectors, swapping out the coolant lines. Then I started having a valve cover gasket leak, and then the valve cover itself was cracked. So of course I bought a whole new valve cover, which came with the valve cover gasket. All new vacuum lines that come from the vacuum canisters that run up underneath, come to your main line here. So additional costs are going to be your oil changes that I had, spark plugs, coils, all fluid changes throughout the car. So it was really, as far as like the interior goes, the only two main things inside of here that have failed. My footwell module, so which I swapped that out. DIY on the channel, a CCC navigation, a whole entire unit failed, swapped over to a CIC navigation retrofit kit, which DIY on the channel as well. But everything else in general is still all original from 2008. Same thing goes for the back. Everything is, very good condition. Try to take care of it as much as I can. Starting at that $6,685 at year 5, last 5 years have been very minimum things. There still are some original hoses on here. I am still on original turbos with 158,000 miles. No issues whatsoever as far as boost. I've been running the JB4 G5 ISO plus the back end flash on there. Usually sometimes we'll run 100 octane, which will try to target 20 PSI. So that's on your race map 7. Handles it just fine. Never have had any boosting issues. No 30 FF codes. Never had 2 O2 sensors that have gone out. And then just really simple oil changes the last 5 years. Nothing else major has gone wrong with the car, knock on wood. So the overall 10 years of ownership have really gone up just that $1,000 more in 5 years. And I'm at $7,685 over my 10 years of ownership. And a lot of the stuff that I reference here today, I have all those DIYs on my channel. So that way, if you're running into the same situations, I have easy step-by-step DIYs that you can follow, save you that money. Now that's just all parts cost. I've done everything myself on this car for 10 years total. So if you took it somewhere, paid for all that to be replaced, your cost is gonna be obviously much higher. So just like what I've preached for many years, you know, maintenance before modifications, you gotta take care of the car so that way it can take care of you, and then you can move into the modifications so that way it helps limit any kind of additional issues that you may run into, because those mods are gonna pull the weakness out of those failing or have already failed stock parts. So let me know if you have any questions, of course, you know, down in the comment section below. Reach out to me on any social media stuff. I really do appreciate the support. If you're a long-time subscriber or even new subscriber, lots of great stuff here planned. Lots of great new BMWs that will soon come on the channel as I start to cycle through newer ones. Big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other many BMW N54 videos and many other BMW videos out there. Hopefully I have something for you, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.